Good morning mga guys! Ang ganda ng palibot guys. Good beautiful morning guys. Dahil nagpaging guys. Grabe ang lamig guys. So nagpaging siya guys. Yung medyo puti-puti niya guys. Parang usok guys. Paging niya guys. Pag. Hindi yan usok. Kala ko sa bukid lang magpaging guys. Dito pa lang guys. So nagpaging guys. Beautiful morning. Good morning. Nag-fog siya guys oh. Parang usok na malakas. Yan guys oh, fogging yan guys. Good morning mga guys. Ang ganda ng panahon guys oh. Maliwanag ang kapaligiran sa langit, blue at saka white. The beautiful clouds and the mountain is so brighter, so beautiful. Nice weather. Maybe this afternoon raining, I don't know, but it's so nice. The surrounding, the cloudy weather, the sunshine, and the trees, the beautiful trees. See the beautiful surrounding. Thank you, Lord. Wow.